How to turn off page you manage new subscribers to events notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off page you manage new subscribers to events notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and the notifications, and here go down again and you will find this one, pages you manage, and then click select your page, and here you will find page interactions, and go down and just click this one, subscribers to events, if you want to turn it off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.